What's up guys? I'm Darren from AutoDetailer Studio and welcome to our All Access vlog. Today we're working on a classic, a Porsche 993 Carrera S, the last of the air-cooled Porsches. The car was repainted previously and came in an unoriginal paintwork. When we checked with Porsche Registry, we found out that the car was initially specified in a unique color called Vesuvio Metallic. Vesuvio Metallic is a rare and original color from Porsche, which was named after the famous volcano in Italy, Mount Vesuvius. It is one of the rarer colors offered by Porsche as it was exclusive to the 993 Carrera S model. We stripped down the paint to bare metal and began our restoration work. As part of the restoration process, we're also working on the interior upholstery, replacing numerous parts to ensure she looks in mint condition when we're done. The car will then undergo our signature detailing program and will be custom fitted with our ClearGuard Nano SR paint protection film. That's it for today. If you enjoyed our video, please like it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.